This week has been a great experience because it's really allowed myself and my colleagues to take a look at HR strategy from all levels. So from, the very kind of, textbook learning standpoint to all the way to talking to a CHRO about his experiences and his perspective being the leader of HR in an organization, partnering with the CEO.
This has been a great opportunity for the team to be here, to learn about what the market trends are, and these new approaches in the HR world are going to help us to face the next steps in our company.
I think the best thing for me from this program was being able to refine my skills and utilize new tools, and really tools that I've never thought about in terms of getting to a decision, but also being able to share with the business. I feel like a lot of times in HR we struggle with how can we make it pertinent to the business, and I feel like this week I've gotten tools and information and even relevant cases to be able to say, hey, we're not the only ones dealing with this. Here's some information, or here's another way to look at it.
I love the fact that we had, again, a real life case or real life problem that we could try to solve, because as we were learning, we were thinking about that.
This training has made me think out of the box. For me now, I'm going to approach the new projects, the new initiatives with a different perspective.
You could tell they've done their research and they've worked with so many companies. And the piece around working with peers, it's always great to hear what other people are struggling with, and it, for us, validated we're not the only ones, and now I feel like I have more people in my network that I can reach out to.
I think I'm going to take back just the understanding and the confidence in knowing that from an HR standpoint, I absolutely have an opportunity to impact the strategy and the growth of my organization.